We're driving! Whoa,
In
welcome to Key
6.5 miles,
Biscayne.
turn right onto West McIntyre Street.
Whoa, look at this.
Yeah, this is the Rickenbacker the Rickenbacker Causeway. I can't say it. And it takes you to Key Biscayne.
Oh, it's really close to where we are, live. This street is really pretty cool looking. It's all covered and stuff.
This is a street?
Yes, we're on a street. We're actually in a park. We're driving through a park right now.
Oh, right.
Yes. And we keep seeing raindrops, and it's very upsetting because we came for the beach.
You know what happened? You know what song I would sing if I opened up the sunroof?
What?
Raindrops are falling on my head. What?
Well, it would be true. Alright, let's keep driving. This is where we are headed.
This way.
Whoa, state park. We're in the state park.
Yes.
Haha, made it to Key Biscayne. And we are here. We found this trail, and it starts with this boat. It's actually a dinghy, but it's a dinghy.
I wonder, how does one become a Commodore?
That's an interesting question.
Like, how does that one acquire the title Commodore?
I don't know.
Is that just given upon you by somebody, or what? Oh.
It's cool. Alright, let's go on the Interpretive Trail, established in 1998.
That was like 11 years ago.
Yeah.
No, 21 years ago, actually.
Oh, yeah. Math.
Hello, math.
Hello, math. Oh, butterflies. Found the lighthouse. It's like right there. And beach views. This is awesome.
I could live here all day.
You could live here all day. It's amazing. Look at that view. Although you can't really see the lighthouse from here, but this is awesome. Found some rocking chairs, so of course we had to sit, right? Right?
Yes. And take pictures.
And take pictures.
This is our new home.
We live here now.
We're gonna live here now.
This is awesome. We're kind of just walking around. We have no idea where we are. But the lighthouse is still very visible. It's right there.
It's probably very visible at night also.
Oh yeah, probably. I love lighthouses. It's like the top of the lighthouse. But not, because it's on the ground. Oh, it's restoration.
It's a razzle-dazzle day.
Is that all you're thinking about?
I want to see a dragon.
Aw, this is interesting. It's like a sea turtle made out of things like plastic and metal. Crazy.
Oh, map of float.
Ooh. Save our ocean. Little crab, you gotta get to safety, buddy. It's a hermit crab. Oh, you scared it.
Oh, I didn't mean to scare you.
Oh, you're so cute. This is where you belong. Yes. How awesome is this? Nice views. I love it.
A lot of people don't realize this, but that's actually the former flag of Libya right there.
Really?
Well, yeah, it was just a green flag.
Oh.
So maybe the former government of Libya run this area. I don't know.
No. It means that it's pretty safe to swim.
Or Libya. I mean Libya.
Sea turtle nest. Do not disturb. There are eggs under there. And they're going to be little sea turtles soon. Oh. I wish I could look inside, but I'm not going to touch it. No touching. No touchy. Look at that guy.
Hey, friend.
Hello, my friend. Crazy.
Welcome to the Key
Whoa.
in the care that she's not a child and wants to go in the park anyway. All right, all right. This looks like a hungry dolphin. It is a dolphin, right? So, yeah, they handed out these maps once we got in. It's kind of useful, but you know, GPS works just as good. Has some good information, but that looks like a hungry dolphin. The sound of a loon in mating season.
Airplane in the background.
And an airplane in the background. More specifically, a seaplane. So that's pretty cool. Seaplane. Down here.
I made it. Maybe I get stuck on the slide.
Nah.
Yeah.
Seaplane. Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
Yeah, what you doing?
I don't know, there's so many flags of Libya around. I don't get it. I'm enjoying the view. You can actually see our house from here. Literally.
I can't see it, but you say you do.
It's not, I mean, from here it's this big, but in real life it's way bigger. You know, but it's that one right there.
What?
It is. It's that one.
It's going down its own escalator.
An escalator for carts, man.
What's an escalator for carts?
We're at Winn-Dixie.
Oh yeah, we did impromptu shopping while in Key Biscayne.
While hungry, so this might
While
be a bad
hungry.
move.
But you know, whatever. We're on the road again.
I've been on the road.
On the road again.
That's not how that goes. Wait,
Nope.
that is how it goes.
I thought it was. We're headed back home. It wasn't really like a beach day.
It's warm.
Yeah.
It was a warm day.
It is warm, but it's not like sunny or anything like that. But it was nice to like check this place out.
Yeah, Key Biscayne's nice. We would go back. And the Winn-Dixie wasn't so bad either. You can see our house from here.
It was cheaper than Publix where we live.
I think everything is cheaper than Miami Beach.
Maybe.
South Beach, rather.
South Beach. This is Miami we're driving into.
Yes,
This is
technically,
cool.
technically we're not in Miami right now. That's Miami.
Right. We're in Miami-Dade though.
Well,
We're in Miami-Dade County, but not the city of Miami.
No. But most people just say
Interesting.
Miami. Anywhere within Miami-Dade County.
Yes.
Even though technically this is Key Biscayne.
Okay. Yes.
So confusing, I know, but don't. I'm Miami, whatever.
It was a fun day of exploring new places like Key Biscayne and the beaches over there and the parks over there, which was really cool. And it's really close by. It's so close. I was so surprised. But that is it for today. We'll see you guys later. Monkeys out.